Hello learners and welcome back. Today we are going to do an accounting question that reads, the following information relates to Maji Mazuri traders for the month of December 2021. So the first item you are given is loan from bank, which is 24,000, stock 40,000, cash 60,000, debtors 12,000, salaries 8,000, creditors 18,000, and furniture 16,000. So the question requires us to work out the net worth of Maji Mazuri traders. So at that point, the learner, you're supposed to ask yourself, what is the net worth? In other words, net worth is the same as capital. So therefore, the question asks you to work out the capital of Maji Mazuri traders. So we get back to our accounting equation that is, or that we said previously, is given by asset is equals to capital plus liabilities. Asset is equals to capital plus liabilities. And having that one, now we can make capital to be the subject. Therefore, we express capital as the subject to give us that capital is given by asset minus liabilities. So this is what we are supposed to apply. Therefore, in our details given above, we are supposed to get the items that are assets. So from our question, we can be able to see that we have some items that are asset. For instance, we have a stock. So first and foremost, we need to get the value for the total assets in our question. So assets, from our question, the assets that we have, one, we have stock, which is 40,000. We also have cash, which is 60,000. Cash, which is 60,000. Then we have debtors, which is 12,000. We have debtors, which is 12,000. And finally, we have furniture, which is 16,000. Furniture, which is 16,000. So getting the totals, this gives us, this is 8, 10, 11, 12. So 128,000 is our total assets from our question. The next is we get the total liabilities, and clearly from the question we have two liabilities. That is, we have a loan of 24,000, and also we have a creditors, which is 18,000. We have creditors, which is 18,000, and that gives us a total of 8 plus 4 is 12, 3 and 4. 42,000 is our total liabilities. Therefore, we can comfortably go ahead and say that capital now will be equals to assets, which is 128,000 minus 42,000 minus 42,000 to give us 6 and 8, and therefore that is the required figure for capital. So learner, if you have been very keen, you have noticed that we did not make use of salaries. Why? Because salaries is not an item that was supposed to be used. Salary is an expense, and in this case we are using items that are used in the balance sheet. Yeah, that is the asset and a liability. Salaries is not an asset nor a liability, but it is an expense. So therefore it was put there as a distractor, and that is why we have not make use of the salaries figure. Yes, it is an expense, not an asset nor a liability. That is why we did not make use of it. That's why we did not factor it when calculating the capital for our business, and that was the required working. So bye bye, see you in our next lesson.